Success is not something you wake up and stumble into, it's something you set up the night before. You have probably heard the saying, win the morning, win the day. But here is the part no one tells you. You actually win the morning the night before. That's where your true power lies. That's where your advantage begins. Because once the day starts, once your alarm goes off and the world starts pulling at you, it's already too late to think clearly. Your mind is hit with decisions, distractions, and demands. You are reacting, not leading. But the night before, that's your calm before the storm. That's your quiet window of control. Think about it. How many times you have woken up late, rushed through your morning, skipped breakfast, forgot something important, and started the day already behind. That kind of start doesn't just ruin your morning, it ruins your mood. It zaps your focus, it drains your productivity, and worse, it bleeds into everything else. You feel like you are playing catch up, you feel scattered, disorganized, and defeated before the day has even begun. But here is the truth, it's not because you are lazy, it's not because you are unmotivated, it's because you are not prepared to win. Your future self is waiting for a decision tonight. Success doesn't start when the sun rises. It starts when you decide the night before to take control. The night before is your opportunity to make a deal with your future self. It's your chance to set the game plan. So, when you wake up, you don't have to think, you just act. Here, what you do, take 10 minutes before bed. That's it, just 10. Grab a notebook, a sticky note, or even your phone. Write down the three most important things you need to do tomorrow. No 10, no 20, just three. Why? Because clarity kills overwhelm. When you already knew what's matter, you eliminate the fog that slows you down. No hesitation, no wasted energy, just laser sharp focus. Prepare your environment, lay out your clothes, set the coffee, put your workout gear by the door, plug your phone in across the room to avoid the scroll tab. Set your alarm with purpose, not just to wake up, but to remind you of your mission. That alarm is not just a noise, it's a call to rise. It's a signal that your goals matter. When your space is ready, your mind gets ready too. You are not just organizing things, you are organizing your mind. You are creating a blueprint for success. You are sending your brain a signal that says we are in control. And the more you prepare, the less you have to negotiate with yourself in the morning. You don't have to decide whether or not to work out, you already committed. You don't have to wonder what task to do first, you already planned it. You don't even have to think about what to wear, it's laid out. You remove friction, you create flow. And here's the science behind it, your brain loves automation. The fewer decisions you have to make, the more energy you save for what truly matters. That's why the world's top performance athletes, CEOs, entrepreneurs all have routines. Not because they are robots, but because they have learned how to protect their energy. The first 10 minutes after you wake up decide the next 16 hours. What you do in the first 10 minutes shapes your entire emotional, physical, and mental tone for the day. Yet, most people waste that golden time. They roll over, grab their phone, and start scrolling. They check emails, text, social media. They let the world in before checking in with themselves. When that happens, you have already lost. Because the moment you start consuming other people's thought, opinion, and problems, you hijack your focus. You activate cortisol, cloud your clarity, and put yourself into a reactive state. You have given away the most important moment of the day, your beginning. Let's flip the script. Now imagine waking up and taking the first 10 minutes just for you. Not for work, not for notification, not for the world, just for you. That's your power window. What you do in those minutes tell your brain, here's what you are focused on today. Create a simple personal morning triggers. Sit up, take 3 deep breaths, ask, speak an affirmation. Today I choose strength. Drink a glass of water, stretch, write one intention. Doesn't need to be fancy, doesn't need to be perfect. It just need to be yours. That teeny moment of ownership, it shifts everything. Your brain is listening every single morning. Science backs it up. Your brain has something called the reticular activating system, a filter that decides what to focus on. When you start your day with prayer, gratitude, goals, or intentions, you train your areas to prioritize what matters and ignore the noise. You are not just getting inspired, you are rewiring your brain. Small wins create massive momentum. Want to build real confidence? Don't wait for big wins. Focus on micro, teeny wins, teeny, invisible victories that no one sees, but that stack up into unstoppable momentum. Getting out of bed as soon as your alarm goes off, making your bed, drinking a glass of water, opening your laptop, and working for just 5 minutes. These small decisions are powerful because every time you follow through, you have sending this message to your brain, I can trust myself, I do what I say I'll do. That creates identity, it builds discipline, it forms self respect. You stop seeing yourself as someone who wants change and start living as someone who creates it. The truth, most people wait until they feel like it, until motivation spikes, until the energy shows up. But success doesn't wait. You don't need motivation, you need movement. Because action creates clarity, actions create belief, action creates momentum. And here is the bonus, every time you complete a micro win, your brain gets a hit of dopamine, that feel good reward chemical. So, yes, checking off a to do list really does make you happier. Your brain starts to crave progress, especially when life feels chaotic or overwhelming. Micro wins bring you back to center. Win the morning, but first win the night. Don't underestimate this. You don't need perfect mornings. You need intentional nights. You don't need to change your whole life overnight. You just need to start with 10 minutes tonight and 10 tomorrow morning. So, before your head hit the pillow tonight, ask yourself, have I done what I need to do to win tomorrow? If yes, you have already started building momentum. And with momentum, anything becomes possible. Because when you take ownership of your morning, you take ownership of your day. And when you take ownership of your day, you take ownership of your life. So, start tonight. Set your tomorrow up. Prepare your wins in advance. Stack up micro victories. And remember, every powerful life begins with one intentional decision. Make yours now. Thank you for being here.